Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, maxima and minima. And the first topic is maximum value of a function in its domain. Let y equal fx be a real function defined on an interval closed interval a comma b. It is closed interval. Let y equal fx be a function and it is defined in interval a to b. It is defined between interval a to b. Then fx is set to have a maximum value if there exists a point C belongs to a to b such that fc is greater than or equal to fx for all values of a comma b. In such case, fc value of function at x equals c, it is fc. C means value of the function at x equals c, and at x equals c function attain maximum value. In such case, fc is called the maximum value of the function of a comma b, and c is called a point of maximum value, in a comma b, और a point of maxima means x की जिस a और b इंटरवल के बीच में जहां पर भी फंक्शन की वैल्यू बाकी सभी वैल्यू से मैक्सिमम रहेगी, फंक्शन के वैल्यू जहां पर बाकी सभी वैल्यू से मैक्सिमम रहेगी उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन. और जिस x के जिस वैल्यू पे मैक्सिमम वैल्यू आएगी उसे क्या कहेंगे, पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा और ए पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ ए फंक्शन इन इट्स डोमेन. Let fx be a real function defined on interval a comma b. Then fx is said to have the minimum value in closed interval a comma b if there exists a point C belongs to interval a comma b such that fc is less than or equal to fx for all x belongs to a comma b. It is a to b, it is closed interval a comma b, and it is a function y equal fx, and it is the minimum value fc at x equals c. In such case, fc is called the minimum value of the function, and C is the point of minimum value in the interval a comma b.